Want some more information about P&O's onboard webpage? Then you're in the right place. Let's jump on board. Welcome, we are cruising with the 4Bs. We have videos every Saturday and Wednesday, all to do with cruising. If you could like and subscribe, that would really help the channel out. Now last year, like most other cruise companies, P&O launched a webpage that will help you on board. It's known as My Holiday. It really helped us out when we went on Ventura, P&O Ventura, in December. And I thought I'd just do a little video because there has been some confusion and just to give you some tips and some hints on how to use My Holiday webpage. Now, first of all, you might hear that it's called an app. You can call it an app, it's absolutely fine. It is actually a web page, but you can download the web page and pop it on to your home page, and then it does look like an app, but it is a web page. It's very, very simple. Once you are on board and you've connected to the P&O Wi-Fi, that is the only time that you can use the My Holiday web page. Once you are on board and you are connected, if you head to, and I better get this right, myholiday.p&ocruises.com, then you will find the webpage there. You then pop in your number that you have on your cruise card, and then you can access all the information. There'll also be a card in your room. If I show it to this side here, can you see? Yes, a lovely card demonstration. And that will give you all the information. It'll also give you a QR code, which you can also access the web page with. Now, if you would like to get easy access, and why not? Well, let's get easy access to the web page. It's very, very simple. All you need to do is you'll see down the bottom, I'll demonstrate it here. On an iPhone, it's 3 lines. If you're on an Android, you just press that once the browser is up, press that, it'll give you an option to put it onto your home page, and you have got it on your home page. But as said, once you go into your cabin, you will have that card ready and waiting for you. It has all the information on there and you can go through it very, very slowly, and then you can put the web page on to your home screen and you are ready to go. It's as simple as that, so do not panic. But before we head back in time and see exactly what you can do with the My Holiday webpage stroke app, then there is 4 things to consider. Firstly, it is really, really simple to use. It is not clunky like the website on the UK when you're on land, which I do find the P&O website can be slightly clunky. It is very, very easy to use. We didn't really have any problems with it. Maybe 1 or 2 days it went down, but it was soon back up. So have a little bit more faith than you might have in the website on land. If you are having any problems downloading it, then go to reception, then go to the maitre d's outside the restaurant, or if yours gone down or it's frozen, and they will help you out. They're more than willing to help you out, access or re-access the My Holiday app web page. If you really don't want to use the My Holiday webpage and you want to do it in the old traditional way, then do not be alarmed, shocked. Then do not panic before you head on your cruise, because you can still do all the things that you do on the webpage at the moment on board. So if you like booking things at reception, you can still go to reception. If you want to queue outside the restaurant, then you can still queue outside the restaurant. If you want to know how much you've spent on board, then you can still go to reception and they will let you know. So we found it very easy to use. We'll definitely always be using it, and I would recommend you to use it, but don't panic. If it's not for you, then at the moment, I'll say at the moment, who knows what P&O got planned in the future, you can still do everything you can do on the app in person on board. And finally, as mentioned before, you can only access this once you're on board, or sometimes in the terminal before you board. But me, on a rainy February afternoon, I cannot access the webpage. So we've got to go back in time when we were heading to the sunny Canaries around a month ago, where past Tom is going to go through exactly what you can do with the My Holiday webpage. Tom, can you hear me?
Yes, future Tom, I can hear you. We're having a great time here on Ventura. Let's take a look at the app, and firstly, shore experiences.
You can onboard account, you can have a look, see how much we've spent. Oh my God, let's get off that quickly. Give me a heart attack. It's got your diary on there. So we've got a few things booked. Friday we've got Sindhu. We've got some entertainment booked. So anytime you book entertainment, it goes straight on there. There's my bookings there if you need medical assistance. Cabin services, let's dip into that one. So this afternoon Alpha is on, so we've that's all about that. I don't know why that's come up. Oh, it's entertainment. Whoops, I'll press the wrong button. Let's go to cabin services. Look, there we go, and you've got like a map of the ship, which is very good, so you can see where you're going. And you've got a room service menu, so there's got a lot of stuff on there that you can book. It's actually very good. And what I'm going to do this morning is it's also got dining. And what you can do, which we use the most, is you can join a queue for dinner. So what I'm going to do is we're going to have breakfast at Saffron this morning. We do like Saffron. So I join the queue. It gives me how many guests. So I've got 4 guests, including me. I don't need a wheelchair space. And would I like a table with other guests? Now, normally we might say yes, but due to COVID, and if someone came down with COVID, unfortunately, on our table, we'd all have to isolate. Unfortunately, at the moment, we are sitting by ourselves. So it's good, it gives us all those options. All I need to do is press join queue. I'll join the queue, and then it notifies me in a few minutes when my table becomes available, and I have 15 minutes to get down to the table. So all in all, I'd give it an 8 or 9 out of 10. It's a good little we'll call it an app, but it's not really. It's just a page off a website, but it's very, very useful. I will let you know when our table becomes available.
And look, just like magic, our table is ready, and we'll have 15 minutes to head to the table. And look, there's our fabulous waiter taking us to our table to enjoy our table for 4.
As you can see, really, really easy to use. And also you'll also find very easy to download as well. And as mentioned, there's plenty of help on board, and there's the instruction card as soon as you arrive in your cabin. Have you got any tips or anything you'd like to share about the My Holiday app? Then please do pop it down in the comments below. Don't forget that like and subscribe. We'll be back soon with another video, but for now, we'll see you on the next one.